This is the application I've designed for the mini challenge 1. I first categorized the visitors into 6 categories. The patterns of live analysis will then be performed for each of them. To answer the 4 questions, 5 dashboards were created. As we can see that we have 6 types of visitors, 5 categories of gates, and different time intervals for which can be used for the analysis. And other input parameters can interact with each other to tell us some different stories. So the visualizations were designed to make full use of Tableau's interactivity to provide a tool for the users to customize the analysis as much as possible. Due to time limit, I will only highlight some of the more important dashboards. The first one is the pattern of live analysis dashboard. The scan chart on the left allows the user to have a quick summary of the daily patterns of the visitors, what time they go in, what time they go out, and at which time of the year they are more active. On the right here, we have a heat map showing the distribution of visitors by gates and by hours. The heat map helps us to visualize which type of visitors likes to go to which gates at what time. A bit of customization is allowed here, where the user can choose to see only the aggregated view without the breakdown into the days of the week. Or you can choose to color the heat map by number of records instead of average stay durations. After knowing the patterns, we can move on to analyze the paths adopted by the visitors. Here, the path is about the series of categories of gates the visitors visited. As in, do they go to the camps first before the general gates, or the other way around? The heat map shows you the frequencies of each path being adopted at different time intervals, which can be configured to change to by hour, by day, or by the day of week. Click on the path. You can view the detailed sequences of the path, which is the series of individual gates visited by the visitors. Click on any of the sequences here, you can see it being visualized on the map. You can choose to see an animated map or just all the stops in one go. The animated map will be a better choice if the visitors went to repeated stops. Now let's move on to the anomalies. Firstly, the movement anomaly dashboard. Here, with a bit of filtering, you can easily spot the suspicious records. For example, you can choose to see only the restricted gates, filter away the 2P cards, and now you are left with only the suspicious trespassing records. Select the suspicious ones and you can view the IDs here. The map works similarly, just that now I highlighted the restricted gates into a different color. Lastly, we have the durations anomaly dashboard, which helps the user to easily spot the outliers. 2 scatter plots are provided here. The first one looks at the total stops visited versus the total duration, and these are the outliers. The next one looks at the total gates visited versus the distinct gates visited, and you have the outliers again. Highlight the suspicious records. You can then check the IDs and visualize the movements accordingly. The Tableau dashboard is published on my Tableau Public. You can try the interactive features yourself. Thank you for watching.